Yo, you got a talent?
Yeah.
What's your talent?
Making boys hurt me.
That's their talent.
Yo, when y'all got a talent?
Sucking dick is my talent.
I was just about to say that.
I could do it from the back.
Let me in my fucking stream, you fucking loser.
Yo, when y'all got like a talent or something, like y'all can sing?
Yeah.
Oh, ass on them head then. Everybody said, yeah, shit.
You got a song? You got any requests?
Nah, you go ahead and sing what you want to sing.
Okay. What are we singing? What we singing? Sing the Cheetah Girl. I don't want to be a Cheetah Girl right now. I don't even know the theme song. I don't want to be a Cheetah Girl. What we gonna sing?
I don't know shit. Be a city girl. Wait, city girls rap.
No, what?
You want me to be a City Girl?
Nah, don't do that. They rap. You know what I'm saying?
We got you. Sing gospel.
Be Beyonce or something.
Y'all say? Oh, Poison. Honestly, Poison by Beyonce. Oh, how I love name Jesus. Oh, how I love name Jesus. It's sweetest name. What Beyonce song? I know. Gotta love God. I love God. You don't love God? What's wrong with you? I love this one. I love God. He's sick of
Bitches wasted my time.
Baby on the far right certified. I should have put you on, my bad, man.
How the hell can you see anybody on the far right? You talking about the bitches in the back? No boy got them glasses on.
Oh, you said far right? My bad. I like the one that was on the left. That nigga said far right. Of course you go for the bitch nobody looking at.
That boy Zarin be like, man, let me find a hoe ain't nobody worried about. Ooh, all right, down. Yo, you got a talent?
I was just talking to a really cute guy, and then I didn't add him, and I'm pissed.
Bitch, do you have a talent?
Like, bro, we don't care. We don't care. We really don't.
Yo, you got a talent?
a talent. My tongue is long.
Oh, that's how. Let me see it.
Oh my god. Want to see my tongue?
Yeah. I ain't gonna flex. That's talent.
What? You a fucking get here the fuck get the fuck out of here. Get her out of here. No. We're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. You're a bitch. You're a bitch for that. I'm gonna slap the fuck out of you just for that.
Yo, you got a talent?
I swear to God. I know you didn't just do that.
I can make my voice deep.
Oh,
that's not making, baby. You a nigga. Don't
calm down. Just calm down.
Don't lie to us. Don't lie to us. I can make my voice deep.
Oh my god.
No. You can't make your voice deep. Your voice is deep. You're making your voice high. Fuck is wrong with you? Yeah, you might as well leave because I was ready to just, oh my god.
Bro, Vince, bro, come on.
Man, I ain't even like transgenders, bro. My bad.
Yo, when y'all got a talent?
Oh boy, I got many talents.
Bitch, you're ugly. We don't want them.
Yes, sir. Hi.
Hey, what's up? You got a talent? Got a talent?
Sucking dick.
Get the fuck on.
I'm gonna tell your fat face. Boy, what the fuck you got on your fucking face, bro? Bro.
Do you have talent?
What?
Shit. Never mind.
Shut the fuck up. Suck my dick. Suck my dick.
I shoved a 16-liter soda can up my asshole.
Y'all ain't hear that? Hold on, we gonna run it back.
I shoved a 16-liter soda can up my asshole.
Yo, you got a talent? Oh, let me hear it then. Let me add time. Just saying something. Whatever's on your mind, shit.
Song? You need a song?
Huh?
You need a song?
Tired.
I met you in the club. You lit me up. You made me feel like so I wasn't enough.
What happened?
Dang it, bro.
I don't want to report because she had talent, but god damn, what kind of phone you got?
Yeah, man.
Yo, when y'all got a talent?
Yeah. I sing.
Well, let me hear you sing that at time.
Okay. What song y'all want me to sing?
Any song you want to sing? Shit.
I don't even know, Matt. What song should I sing?
Dance for you. Yeah.
Y'all know that by Beyonce?
By Beyonce? Yeah.
Okay. I'm scared. Okay, listen. Tonight I wanna dance for you.
Yo, you got a talent?
Yup.
What's your talent?
I suck dick real. I'm just playing.
Bro, come on.
Yo, you got a talent?
What?
Do you have a talent?
Yeah.
What's your talent?
Crack. Smoking crack and being whack.
Shut up. Shut your bitch ass up, bitch.
Yo, one of y'all got a talent? Huh? Do one of y'all have a talent? I don't have a talent, but I do have a trade.
Nope.
Yo, you got a talent?
A talent. I sing a little bit.
Can you sing for real though?
No, at time, no, you not say. Let me hear you sing.
But don't set her up for failure, bro. Don't do that. That's just toxic. Yeah, like,
No, okay, like, if I mess up, don't laugh at me.
We're not gonna laugh, I promise. I might have the straightest face ever.
I like to say we gave it a try. I like to blame it all on life. Maybe we just weren't right, but that's a lie. That's a lie, and we can't deny it as much as we want. But in time, our feeling will show. Because sooner or later, we wonder why we get. Okay, I'm nervous. I'm sorry. I'm nervous.
you did good. You low key baited us, acting like you can't sing. That's crazy. Trying to bait us. I don't know. Like what? How you gonna bait us and then you can actually sing a little? There's girls that be like, yeah, I can sing, and come on here and embarrass themselves. Like,